Jowuoth 16 pod dhi nyime kod yudo thieth bang' kalo e masira mar apaya boma ma Awendo e apaya ma owuok Awendo kochomo Rongo odiochieng'no manyoro. Jatend obila e sub-county ma Awendo Julius Kemboi oyango ni jowuoth mane nitiere nyamburko ariyo mating'o jowuoth oyudo hinyruok e masirano. Kemboi wacho ni masirano nobiro bang' nyamburko mating'o jowuoth manori kowuok Migori kochomo Rongo no olalo brek kendo no tuomo nyamburko machielo manochungi geng apaya.
Two motor vehicles, that is a matatu. One was coming from Migori heading to Rongo general direction, and its brakes failed, and it's a steep place, so it rammed in a stationary matatu which had 2 passengers, while the one which was coming from Migori had 14 passengers in total. So as a result, all the passengers, totaling 16, got injuries of various degrees. So they were rescued, while the rest were rushed to, with serious injuries, were rushed to Migori. It's a county, Migori Referral Hospital for attendance.
Highway, yes, get him a moko, Markele Highway, get him a moko, Batandara, Kongekone, Katagiju wood, Matuka, to get a private car. Then again, you can come and do like Manoki Morimigori. Before Kapuki get round about, Evacuo Governor, no medicated no pumps, Madongo, of Matindo, Makagaro, Viro, Nyalo, Yue, Katomedo, Speed, okay, no pumps for Madongo.